Hey everyone, welcome. San Diego Trust and Estate Attorney Kristina Hess, welcoming you to the March edition of the Creating Legacies newsletter. So my first announcement is next Thursday, March 26th, we are having a Pump It Up workshop. It's a legal planning workshop for parents where the kids will play. They'll have a great time on the inflatable party zone, jumping around while the parents learn about 7 easy steps that you must take to protect your children in this crazy world. It's going to be a fun time. I encourage you to register. We have a few spots left, but there's a limited number of families that we can admit. It's a free event. It's at the Pump It Up in Sorrento Valley. That's next Thursday, March 26th. And you will learn about the biggest guardianship mistakes, why having a will is not enough in California. A will does not fully protect your children, and it does not fully protect your assets. It doesn't avoid probate. So you will want to come and learn about child guardianship, living trusts, and how to protect your children's inheritance. It's a great educational event, and I encourage you to tell your friends and to sign up. All right, now you'll want to check out the KR Hess Law blog. There's been some recent developments in asset protection planning from some recent court decisions, which we will be writing about, and there's other legal updates on there. So you want to check that out. All right, so my Creating Legacies thought this month is about empowering the generations. So I've been talking to you about the statistics and how families, 70% of families have not been successfully transitioning wealth, and what can you do about it? So empowering the generations is looking at your next generation and even 2 generations and seeing if they're ready. Are they prepared? Are they prepared to receive wealth? And not only are they prepared to receive wealth, but are they empowered to manage it well and to actually grow the wealth to bless future generations? So there's many aspects of this, but this month I'm just talking about your mindset about wealth. So this is the attitudes, your beliefs, your deep processes. What do you really think? How do you live? How do you manage your money? How did you build wealth? All of those things they're very much guided by what you believe and think about wealth and money. And we pass these mindsets on to our children. Research shows that by early teenage years, children have very well-formed ideas about their mindset about money. Our values are actually caught more than they're taught. So our children see what we do, they see how we behave, they see the things that we've done in our own life with regard to how do we spend money, how did we build money. They watch all of that, and they're getting all of that much more than what we say or what we're trying to teach them. So you'll want to look at the mindset about money. And then the other big thing about empowering the generations is communication. Have you communicated with your children, your grandchildren, the next generations, about your trust, about your estate plan, about your wealth, your legacy, how you envision this growing or being used in future generations? Have you communicated with them? Communication is so critical. Gone are the days where the family gathers around when someone has passed away and the attorney gets out the will and reads the will. You know, we've all probably seen this in the movies. These days are gone. Warren Buffett, talks about how he communicates his plan with his children. His children are all involved in the charitable giving and foundations that he's a part of. And it really is a best practice to communicate with your children in the next generation about your plan, your wishes, and to go even further and setting up intentional strategic plans for next generations. So anyway, today I'm just saying, let's think about, have you empowered the next generation? What have they caught by watching you in your life with money? And how have you communicated with them about your plan and your vision and your wishes? And if you haven't begun working on any of this, I encourage you to contact our office. We're putting together a new legacy building program, working with a very small number of families, handpicked, who want to be intentional on creating valuable, enduring, powerful legacies. But the first step, of course, is to get your trust and estate plan in place. Do you have the 5 legal documents that everyone needs in place? And if not, come to Pump It Up next Thursday. Call the office, schedule a complimentary consultation, and I look forward to seeing you soon. All right, happy March, and until next time, it's been Kristina Hess, San Diego Trust in the State.